Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I will be doing a speed build and review of the new Darth Vader helmet set. So this is the last set I have to review of the recent mini wave of the 3 sets. So this is one of the helmet sets from the recently released helmet series that started last year with the TIE Fighter pilot, the Stormtrooper and Boba Fett, and this year they're releasing the Scout Trooper and this one Vader. So this set has 834 pieces. It's set number 75304 and is recommended for ages 18 plus. So let's take a look at the box. So on the front it has just a nice angle with a red light in the background. The side it's just got the Vader and some information. On the back it's got another angle, a couple of pictures from the movies, and then the size. And then another angle on the side of the box. And on top it's just got the name, logos, and the dimension of the piece. So let's get into the speed build. Alright, so Vader's all done. So he's very similar to the other ones, how they're built. It's got studs showing on all sides. I'll give you a look on all sides. It's got the same sort of stand build, a little plaque display stand at the front. That's printed. So he's got 4 stickers altogether on him. 2 at the front for the mouth, 1 for the little nose sort of bit, and there's also one underneath there. That bit's a little bit crooked. It's a bit better. So that's a little bit loose there. You just have to line it up properly. Yeah, so unlike the other ones, how they've just got the helmet, Vader's also got a little bit of his chest bit in there. A little bit on a hinge there. So that's like the very top of his chest plate in there. The front of his face is moulded very nicely. It's got all the different angles, and it's got a couple of bar pieces here running along. And it's got these little stud bits with a bit up the top. I think the only problem is with the whole mouth bit is that there's no sticker on this 1x4 tile here. So it kind of looks like he's only got half a mouth. So it kind of just stops halfway rather than continuing all the way down. I think on the box he looks like he's sort of happy. Like he's kind of looks like he's smiling, he's a bit cheery. Whereas the actual model isn't quite like that. I think they got the wrong angle when they took the picture. So he sort of from down here, whereas when you look at him, it's more from up here. So I think he looks better in person than he does on the box. But apart from that, he looks good. His eyes are good. He's got some sort of shaping around there with those they're sort of like the bits that go on cars around the wheels. He's got some nice shaping for his helmet. These bits are on hinges. They just sit down nicely. Cut out this little gap sort of bit. There are some new parts on Vader. I think there's a 2x6 tile. I think it's on the inside somewhere. Can't see it from the outside. And there's also these angled plates, wedge plates here, that are 2x6. So they've done the normal 3x6 ones, like this one here, like that sort of size. Whereas these ones are 2x6. So they're one stud thinner. Apart from that, I think all the pieces are older parts. So I think it came up really well. I think in the US, Vader is more expensive than the other helmets, whereas in Australia he's the same price, 90 Australian dollars. So I think the price is a good value. It's a good addition to the helmet collection. So I think that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, everyone. So the next video will be a sort of collection review of all the helmets. So that should be coming out later this afternoon, this evening, depending on what time zone you're in. So I'll see you in the next one.